Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C powder on your face. First, select a pure L-ascorbic acid powder, which is the most effective form. You'll want to mix a very small amount, typically 1/4 of a teaspoon, with a liquid like distilled water or your favorite serum. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved, creating a fresh, potent solution for your skin. Once your vitamin C solution is ready, gently apply it to your clean, dry face and neck. It's best to use this once a day, ideally in the morning, right after cleansing and before any other serums or moisturizers. Regular application can significantly brighten your complexion, even out skin tone, and help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles over time. When starting, begin with a lower concentration, perhaps around 5%, to allow your skin to adjust and prevent potential irritation. Always store your unmixed vitamin C powder in a cool, dark, and dry place to maintain its potency. Remember, once you've mixed the solution, it oxidizes quickly, so it's crucial to use it immediately and discard any leftovers. Before applying to your entire face, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of skin to check for any adverse reactions. If you notice any significant redness, itching, or a burning sensation, discontinue use immediately. Finally, because vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity, it's absolutely essential to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.